Okay, this is the quickest way to do the financials. Go to the tab I sent you. Open, I'm recording here. You're going to go to the startup tab. On the startup tab, realistically, you want to research all these items and then divide it by month. For instance, let's say if you guys had, if each one of you guys, for the salaries of the owners, the three of you, see your annual salary, let's say it was $40,000, but equal $40,000 a piece times 3. Times 3. That would be $120,000 for the year. I have to divide $120,000 by 12 months to find out what my monthly, how much I'm doing per month. So it'd just be obviously $10,000, but it's equals 120, 0, 1, 2, 3 divided by 12. You need to calculate how much the salaries of everyone else for the audio engineers and everyone else. Put those numbers in here. We'll get back to the rent. For advertising, you figure out how you're going to advertise, whatever that number is. You fill all these numbers in, whether it's going to be radio, whether it's going to be flyers, trade shows, bus wraps, whatever. But you have to fill all these numbers in. For rent, since you guys are buying a building, you're going to go to the internet. You're going to click on mortgagecalculator.com. Or just type in mortgage calculator. For the mortgage calculator, you just type in, pick any one of them will work. It doesn't matter. I'm trying to pick one. This is add. I'll just pick this one. You can put in the amount. Well, I don't want this one. Put in the amount of the property, the purchase price. I think yours was $550,000. The loan amount. So you're taking out the whole thing. 550,123. The interest rate. You guys can use a higher interest rate because you have no credit. Just put in 6 or 6.5, anywhere from 6 to 10%. The loan amount, will do it 30 years. Property tax rate, research the property tax rate for the city you're purchasing in and put that in here. If you can't find it, just use the default 1.25. Don't worry about this. We're paying insurance separately. So we'll take that out. And then just hit the calculate button. Take that number, boom, 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 plug it into your starter budget. So it was $3,800 or whatever. After all these numbers are done, you can guess at this point. Don't worry about this loan repayment one. We'll figure that out in a second. But for the loan repayment, so what we have to do for this is we at the top half, these are our monthly recurring bills we have to pay no matter what. It doesn't matter if we sell one class. At the bottom, these are one-time costs that we need just to set up. So put these numbers in. How much it costs for the fixtures and decorating, your audio equipment, how much the chairs, how much everything is to decorate the thing. Put all these things in, and the Excel sheet's going to add these things up, come up with a number. Then we'll have a grand total. So this is $35,000 a month. At the top here, this number right here was $106,000 for the one-time cost. Most businesses don't make money, enough money to pay their bills for the first 6 months to a year. So what we're going to have to borrow is 6 to 12 months of our operating costs, of our bills. So we keep the doors open. We're not worried about that. So we'll take this number. So you put equals whatever number's here in your subtotal, and you times that by the number of months we need to borrow. Let's just go 6 months for now, and that'll come up with $214,000. Then we just put our one-time cost here, just an equal sign. The subtotal for your one-time cost, that'll be there. And then the formula's already in here, so just add up your total amount to open. This thing is starred. I need to open. Expand this. Double click. Owner contributions. For the owner contributions, we're going to put in how much each you guys are going to put in. Let's say that you guys all put in $5,000. 5,000 times 3. You guys are putting $15,000. Crowdfunding, you can come up with, you guys know what that is. So we'll take the total number needed to open minus the owner contribution of $15,000. Our crowdfunding is $50,000. And then what's left to borrow is $256. It's not done yet, because we also have to go back and plug in how much we needed to pay off our bills every month. So right here, loan repayment. So we just have to figure out about $256. We'll go back here. The formula is cyclical, so don't worry about it. Instead of $256, I'm going to put in about $300, because obviously when I put in $256, the bottom number is going to jump up as well. So I just put in $300,000 to borrow. $300,000 to borrow. And you're going to say it's $2,300 a month. We'll go back here. Oh, don't worry about my Skype. I forgot what the number was. I'll put it back here. And there's no sections, just detail everything that you need, why you came up with these numbers. And that's that. So our total is going to say, I put in $300 to borrow. It was really $270. That's fine. All right. Starter budget done. Pause. I'm going to load this video.